The Manipuri Elders Consortium Shillong MECS organised a Clean Shillong drive at Police Bazaar with the goal of making the city cleaner and transforming it into a plastic-free zone. Speaking with the media, Shanghai Lema, General Secretary of the MECS, said that the initiative was organised with a view that Shillong is a popular tourist destination. She further added that the primary aim is to protect and beautify Shillong, ensuring that visitors leave with a positive impression and lasting memories of the city.
We organized this program in the perspective that Shillong is a tourist place and Kandailat being the main attraction and the main gatherings of the tourists. We thought that it would be a nice contribution from our part, from the Manipuri Elders Consortium, to keep the area clean and green. So our main aim for conducting this cleanliness drive is to make Shillong clean, green, and to make the people coming to Shillong have a good impression and a good memory of the clean Shillong.
Both the Houses of Parliament faced repeated